everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very good. So continuing with our series of myths and must know, today we'll be talking about dry fruits and nuts. We'll be covering three major categories. Number one, three very common myths about dry fruits and nuts. Number two, three best dry fruits and nuts that you should include in your daily basis. And number three dry fruits and nuts that you should avoid having on a daily basis. So before we begin, let me ask you, are dry fruits and nuts the same? No, they are not the same. They are two different categories of food items. So let me tell you what are dry fruits and what are nuts. So dry fruits are fruits that are essentially or purposely dried up using natural methods. That is, either they are soaked up in the sun or using chemical dryers or other physical processes. For example, raisins, figs, anjeer, dates, etc. What are nuts? So nuts are fruits that have a hard outer covering, that is the outer portion, the shell is hard and the inside portion is edible. So for example of nuts, there are almonds, pistachios, cashews, walnuts, etc. So dry fruits and nuts have always been a controversial part in one's diet. This is because of the so many myths about them going on since the past many years. So the number one myth that is very common amongst my clients is eating dry fruits and nuts on a daily basis will lead to weight gain. This is a very false statement. If you eat your dry fruits and nuts in a very mindful and moderate quantity, even on daily basis, it does not lead to weight gain. This myth has become very popular because dry fruits and nuts are considered to be a food item that are very much energy dense, calorie dense, fatty acid dense, but then the fats and calories present in them are required for your body, are essential for your body. So you should have your dry fruits and nuts on a daily basis without the fear that they will increase your weight. Coming to the second very common myth again is eating dry fruits and nuts on a daily basis produces or increases your body heat, thus leading to rashes and very much pimples on your face and other parts of your body. This is again a very false and wrong statement. Eating moderate and mindful quantity of dry fruits and nuts on a daily basis does not produce or increase any kind of body weight, especially does not lead to causing pimples on your face or elsewhere on your body. Rather, until and unless you are somewhere or the other allergic to some variant of a dry fruit or a nut. The third very common myth again is soaked up nuts are always better to have than the original form of your nuts and dry fruits. So this concept again has gained very much popularity in the last few years, that we should always soak up our nuts one day night and then eat them other day in the morning or afternoon. So let me tell you, there is no proven theory or scientific research about this statement. So eating your soaked up nuts, eating your nuts and dry fruits in the soaked up form or eating them in the original form will give you the same benefits. So these are the three very common myths about dry fruits and nuts that you should know, follow, change and include dry fruits and nuts in your daily meals. Coming to the second topic of our video is that three best dry fruits that you should include on your daily basis. So number one is almonds, number two is walnuts and number three is your dates. So almonds are known to be very rich source of fiber, magnesium, protein and vitamin E. So they are known to curb your hunger. They are known to keep you full for a longer time. They also help in promoting weight loss. So you should consider having almonds every day in your diet. So an average adult somewhere should have around 4 to 6 medium size almonds on a daily basis. Either in soaked form or either in a normal form will give you the same nutritional benefit. Coming to the second one, that is walnuts. That is again my personal favorite nut. So walnuts are considered to be very rich in omega-3 and fatty acids. So these are helpful in reducing your cardiovascular diseases, that is your heart diseases. So an average adult should consider having 3 to 4 medium size of walnuts in a day. Coming to the third very good dry fruit that you should include in your daily diet is your dates. So dates are considered to be very high in magnesium, fiber, and are also known to increase your hemoglobin levels. They contain natural sweeteners and they are also known to treat constipation. So if you are someone who has digestive constipation issues, you can have 1 or 2 medium size dates early in the morning with your breakfast. So these are the three very good dry fruits and nuts that you should have moderately, mindfully within your diet. So number 1, almonds, number 2, walnuts, and number 3, dates. Coming to the very third and the last topic of our today's video is the 3 dry fruits and nuts that you should avoid having on a daily basis. So number 1 is cashews, number 2 is raisins, and number 3 is your apricots. So cashews, out of all the dry fruit variants and all the nuts variants, it is considered to be the most calorie loaded. So if you are someone who's following a weight loss plan, or even if you're not someone who's following a weight loss plan, you should stick to having cashews once or twice a week. An average adult serving should be somewhere around 3 to 4 cashews per day. Coming to the second one, raisins. So similarly, raisins out of all the variants of dry fruits and nuts is considered to be the most sweet or natural sugar loaded. So it can somewhere or the other cause changes in your blood sugar levels if taken on a daily basis. So rather stick to having them again once or twice or 2 to 3 times a week. Servings of an adult somewhere should be for raisins is 3 or 4 or 6 to 7 depending upon the size. Coming to the very third one is apricots. So apricots, if taken on a daily basis, are known to cause constipation. So if you are someone who's already suffering from digestive issues and constipation, you should limit having apricots to once or twice a week. The average serving for an adult of apricots should be somewhere around 1 or 2 servings per day. So this is everything about dry fruits and nuts in today's video. So with this today's video, I will be ending the series of myths and must know. We'll be coming out soon with a very new series. So please stay tuned. Till then, follow a healthy, happy lifestyle, and please share, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you.